Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to swipe to turn on split screen instantly. So Samsung's One UI lets you multitask like a pro. So there's a hidden gesture that lets you activate split screen mode instantly with just a simple swipe. So here's how it works. So you open an app. So just swipe from the top right or left corner and boom, your split screen is in two. You can now open up another app on the other half, like maybe watching YouTube while replying to message or checking notes while browsing the web. So here is an example. We'll go ahead and open up Google. Now let's go ahead and open split screen. To do this, use your two fingers and go ahead and swipe from the bottom of the screen upwards. And as you can see, split screen is now open. I'll go ahead and open up TikTok at the bottom. And then I can go ahead and use the top part and the bottom part. So let me show you how you can turn this feature on. So first, go ahead and open up your quick panel menu, tap on settings, scroll down and find advanced features. Then go ahead and tap on multi-window. And here you need to find this option called swipe for split screen. Turn that feature on and tap on this. And now this will show you how to change to split screen view with your two fingers, swiping from the bottom of the screen upwards. So here is an example. Swipe up. It's Google. And there you have it. So this feature saves tons of times and makes multitasking smoother and faster. No more long pressing or tapping through menus. Just one quick swipe and you're working on two apps at once. So this is perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who likes to get things done efficiently. So there you go guys, that is how to swipe to turn on split screen instantly on your Samsung Galaxy device.